Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining scale and dimensions. Plan a 1/8 scale model approximately 60 cm long so proportions match a real Lamborghini Huracán. Create a parts list and gather about 500 Lego pieces including 8 inner frame beams and 20 Technic pins plus panels, slopes, axles, and cosmetic elements. Set a realistic timeline. Estimate 20 hours for assembly and 4 hours for planning and sorting, and divide work into chassis, drivetrain, bodywork, and detailing sessions to stay organized. Begin the build with a rigid Technic chassis and a strong backbone frame. Build a rigid Technic chassis with central gearbox and optional 2-motor rear-wheel drive for realistic performance. Integrate suspension. Use double wishbone geometry with springs and dampers at each corner and set ride height to match scale. Design transmission. Use a 6-speed sequential gearbox built from Technic gears mounted centrally, and mount 2 power functions motors for the rear axle or modern, powered-up motors for better control. Sculpt the exterior with curved panels, slopes, and tiles to capture the Huracan's sharp lines. Use curved panels and slopes to sculpt the Huracan's low profile and 3.5-inch front overhang for accurate silhouette. Build scissor doors by attaching doors using hinge bricks and ensure scissor door geometry with a 45-degree pivot so they open correctly. Finish with cosmetics. Apply custom stickers and add interior seats, instrument cluster, adjustable mirrors, detailed headlights, taillights, and a rear diffuser to complete the model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.